guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing a cooking clean with me type of video. I am sharing with you my cleaning routine during nap time. Usually this is the time when I do catch up and pick me up from the day before. If there's anything left, obviously on this day I must have not done anything the night before because there was tons of stuff to put away. I tried to get the house looking normal as much as possible so I have less to do after dinner when I have to take the kids to activities or shopping or whatever planned for that evening. So I usually do a quick tidy up the bathroom that the daycare kids use. I usually clean that after lunch, and then I also give it a wipe down after dinner just so it's clean for the following day. I also get my meal prepped. I get stuff cut up, meat seasoned, whatever meal prep I need to get done, because if it's nice outside I like to take the kids outside and that way my husband can finish the meal, or I can finish it when I come back inside for the last 15 minutes of their day with me, so that way I can get my kids fed before they go off to their activities, because they have activities such as extracurricular sports, or even now they got jobs, so they'll be heading off to work starting this week. So I hope you enjoyed this video. At the end is the meal prep. I show you what I prepped for that evening. It is quite an easy recipe. Stick around, make sure you watch it because it's delicious. For dinner, I am making, well, I think my husband's gonna prepare the meat. Is pork tenderloin. I'm gonna make 2 so I have enough for tomorrow. I am gonna make sweet kale salad, and I'm gonna make cauliflower, roasted cauliflower for us, and just half a bag of these simply home style straight cut French fries for the kids. I'm searing the pork. I have seasoned it with this Motreal steak seasoning, going really easy dinner type of route today. So just searing it until it gets a little crispy, and then I will be putting them in the oven with the rest of the stuff that's in there already. I'm going to make my salad, and then that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and until next time, have a great day.